7 a.m. Huh?
Na automaton asi.
I'm assuming that smoke is the healthy stuff.
Get it? Don't turn it that way. Now we just gotta turn it around. Hold on, you might fall out. Holding on.
My fishing bag is really small now, and it's one of those ones that you put around your waist.
I'll just chuck it in, okay?
Yeah, chuck it. Yeah, may as well. And yeah, so all the little bits and pieces are in here that I use, and keeps the rig small and easy to travel with. I'll keep it in my car all the time.
About fun. Can you turn it off?
The Serenity.
I know, huh?
It's actually quite good. Now I have another hobby. Get a tin.
No, they can get really cheap.
Yeah, I think this bad boy is 40 centimeters in length, apparently under limit, so we're going to let him go. What's that guy's name? The one that does fishing channels? What's his name?
I've got the fish are waiting.
The fish are waiting. Give it a bit of a kiss. Alright, buddy. Before we
go with the camera.
Before
Good job. How do you turn it?
this fish produced so much slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright. Does it sound like we might be pushing that thing back, or
That's what I'm checking.
carrying it on our shoulder?
It's a bit choking. I had it so.
Bring enough petrol for us.
It's full.
Uh-huh.
There's some more fish in there.
Where? And we're back. Only one fish though, and it was undersized, so we threw it back. Waiting for Emil to come and reverse the trailer so we can chuck the boat in and enjoy the rest of the day with the fam. There was flooding here only probably a month or two ago, but you can't really tell by the water level, but you can definitely tell by the amount of rubbish that there is on the sides. It sort of brought everything up, as you can see there. And pretty much everywhere else, there's just a lot of rubbish everywhere.